Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at the Moon Palace Hotel in Ocho Rios. Now this is Main Street in Ocho Rios that we're on, and we are heading towards the Moon Palace. So this will give you a good idea of how you get there. Now, the Moon Palace is one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. And it used to be the Jamaica Grand. A lot of persons might know it by that name. Very large hotel. It was one of the first all-inclusive hotels in the actual town of Ocho Rios. Remember, you had a lot of all-inclusives on the outskirts, but in the actual town. So this hotel is ideally located in the heart of the Ocho Rios town. Most of the hotels are on the coast, outside of the town. Alright, so this is it on the left now. Very nice building. It's a massive hotel. And it's also one of the more popular hotels in Jamaica. And we're going to go a little closer. We can't go inside, guys, because it's an all-inclusive hotel, so you can't just drive in. It's very secure. Well, we're going to make another video with drone footage. We don't have the drone with us today, but we're going to come back and probably within another 2 weeks and make some drone videos of this area. Alright, this is as close as we can get. There is a gate. But one thing I must say about the hotel industry in Jamaica, it is booming. Now remember, every hotel in Jamaica charges a room tax. So the Jamaican government gets a revenue every time a hotel room is rented. It's called a room tax. So one of the reasons why Jamaica has this $1 trillion budget and no new taxes is because of the hotel industry. Now remember, every time somebody comes through the airport, they pay a tax to the government, and every time you rent a hotel room, the government gets tax. So with the tourism industry in Jamaica booming as it is, the government gets a lot more revenue. So when persons say the money that these hotels make leaves Jamaica, I'm not sure about that part. But I do know Jamaicans get employed from these hotels, and the Jamaican government makes money from taxing these hotels. So it's a win-win for everybody. And with over 8,000 hotel rooms under construction as we speak in Jamaica, the government is projecting to make billions of those hotel rooms read the tax and the tourists coming in. So that's one of the reasons why Jamaica is doing so well in tourism, is because why Jamaica has this $1 trillion budget is because tourism is contributing a lot to the country. And this is a massive hotel. And most of these hotels, and there are more people that want to come to Jamaica than we have hotel rooms sometimes. Because you try to get a hotel room in Montego Bay and they're booked out. Rios has 6 hotels in Jamaica, and sometimes they're booked out, fully booked out. That's why they're actually building a 7th hotel in Trelawney. We have videos up of the construction. You can check it out. So as large as you see these hotels, sometimes they're fully booked out. Jamaica is, everybody wants to visit Jamaica. The tourism industry has done really well after COVID. You really have, well, we're not going to go there, but Jamaica did a lot to open up quickly after COVID, and you really that is one of the reasons why so many people are coming to Jamaica. Jamaica was one of the leaders in the Caribbean in opening up its tourism industry, and it's paying off now because Jamaica is at the top of the destination list for the Caribbean. Every week you hear about airlines starting a new route to Jamaica. It's the Sangster International Airport mostly. You have flights coming in from Denver, all over the world. You hear about new flights coming in. When you go to the Sangster International Airport, it's so busy you would think you're at an airport in Florida. So the tourism industry is doing really well. And I can't speak to if money leaves the country from tourism, but I can say the Jamaican government gets a lot of revenue from the departure tax and the room tax, and a lot of Jamaicans are employed in the tourism industry, directly and indirectly. So, okay, we're going to drive out now, so we're going to drive through Ocho, but I just want you to notice where this hotel is located. I mean, if they were to build this hotel today, I don't think they would build it in the heart of a city. But this hotel was built years ago, before the all-inclusives even took off like they did. So you notice this hotel is actually in the town of Ocho Rios. We'll do another video on the topic of Ocho Rios being a city one day. I mean, I still cannot understand why Ocho Rios is not a city, but nonetheless, this is the town of Ocho Rios. So you just wanted to see where the hotel is located. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. We're happy to hear from you guys. And if you want us to make a video of anywhere, just leave it in the comment section and we'll get to it. And remember, we make update videos on most of the construction sites and the major projects in Jamaica every 2 weeks. I mean, there's so many on the North Coast. So many projects on the way. So remember to check back the channel for the updates. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Have a good day.